this should be?
I can't. Look this bloody.
Dying, bro?
Yes! Oh, I'm fine.
Got it?
Open road.
What's good? What's good? You already know we out here.
Ooh. Man, you haven't changed it up at all.
Yep.
You know, we out here. We about to do things. What we cooking here, sir?
Oh, you already know. Some breakfast. We got some pancakes. You know what? You can watch this batter go down right here, baby.
That was a terrible angle.
It's alright. You need a better angle right here.
Let me pan to the sun. Oh yeah.
We out here. You get the flip.
Oh, you gonna do the flip?
Yeah, you get the flip. Good.
Oh yeah. You put butter on that shit?
Nope. Oh yeah, I made the pancakes, baby. Look at that.
With love.
Look at that. Look at him.
With
Look at that. Look at this place. Look at us. Look at him. Look at her.
I'm gonna go hug a cactus after this.
You can't do that.
Okay.
That's illegal. Let's go. We out here, Hidden Valley. Okay. We here in Hidden Valley Campground. Joshua Tree. About to do some climbs. Gotta redeem myself. Jab outdoor athletics. About to do the false Waco traverse. Ah. Yep. Alright, let's get it, guys. Oh, it's getting slick. Okay.
Oh, shoot. Come on, babe. Up, high. There you go. Nice, babe.
There we go.
Nice. Nice.
Some jab outdoor athletics right there, baby.
Before you go, talk to the camera.
Hi, Mom.
You got it, babe. Jack, finally. Oh yeah, that's some fine noises right there. There you go. Yep. Inch deep. Yep, it's right here. Yep. Wrap around this. Yep.
Oh, no.
Right, yeah.
Man up, son.
Both hands.
Oh, that?
Yeah. More, right there, yeah. Dig your right hands in there, yep. Both hands there, where your right hand's at. Both hands.
Okay.
Yeah. You got it. Yeah, right there. Now you gotta go right here.
Okay. Oh, fucked up.
You're good?
Ah, I gotta do it.
Hey, you're pretty good. No, that's two. I don't want to do any more overhang.
There's a couple.
No, I wanna
there's
see
one
the-
I want you to try.
The pillar.
White rock though?
The pillar.
Yeah, the key.
Oh, shit. It's kind of hard to put.
Nice. Couple more.
I don't know if he has water, it doesn't.
That's good.
Just gonna move this up. Okay.
That's good.
Babe, one more. Come on.
Oh, fuck.
Nice. Both hands. You can get your heel. Yeah. Can they move it back?
Yeah, move past. I guess that counts, right?
Nice.
I don't know.
That counts.
Where are we at? Where?
The Hall of Horrors.
Oh, look at this. There's a big first cliff right there. Over there. Chris.